All right, guys, just got a few more days here before I leave to go to Alaska. Just got to pack a few other things, including my food, so I got some of these out now. These are Mountain House dry food. I also have some Peak Refuel. But yeah, I've been using these for a couple of years now. Really like them. Pretty easy to make. Just use some boiling water, dump it in the pouch, and seal it back up, and you're good to go. So Bailey hasn't given them a shot here, so we're going to do some taste testings and see which one she likes best. For our experiment, we have beef stew.
That's the beef stew.
Beef stew.
Buffalo style chicken mac and cheese.
Buffalo style chicken mac and cheese. Ooh. All right, and then lastly we got...
This is the one I'm the most nervous about.
Biscuits and gravy.
I will say the pictures of these look very appetizing, so we'll see.
Yeah, just wait. Okay, add some water. Water's boiling right now, then we'll seal them up and just wait a couple minutes. All right, guys, these have been sitting here. We got this last one here. We just got to fill up with 1.5 cups of boiling water. So you just pour the boiling water in and then let them sit. Make sure you stir them, and then they should be good to go. Stir. Oh, oops. Okay. I think they're about ready. Which one do you want first?
I say we go beef stew.
Beef stew?
Yeah.
Which one? This one?
I would like to first point out that these do not expire until the year 2055.
Space food.
How's it looking? Oh, it smells
Smells
good.
pretty good.
You know what? Definitely not bad. The meat.
Hot.
Did you just shove that in your mouth?
Don't wait to eat. Just out done hiking. Back to your camp. Might be raining. You might be carrying a hindquarter. Just eat it. No wait. Who cares about your tongue?
Not bad. And I'm not gonna lie, I was a little worried about the texture. Not bad.
Not terrible. Beef stew, pretty good. Not terrible.
A lot of flavor.
Yeah, a lot of flavor, not too much flavor.
And it doesn't taste bagged.
Pretty
if
good.
that makes sense.
What's next?
Oh, I'm excited about this one. The buffalo style chicken mac and cheese.
Buffalo chicken mac and cheese. Yeah, each of these has at least 200 calories in one serving, but they each carry 2 servings, so you'll get anywhere between 500 and 600 calories per pack if that's something that you're counting. I typically don't, but that's just me. So, all right, give her a shot. That's dangerous.
Cut that out.
It's
Carrots.
like Buffalo Wild Wings in a bag. It's spicy too.
Oh, it's really spicy. It's good though. Okay, pretty good.
I could eat about 10 of those.
And there's a lot of food in here, y'all.
I'd
Spicy.
say that's pretty darn good right there for a meal out of a bag.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, so buffalo, chicken, and mac and cheese. One more.
This is the one that I'm nervous about.
The sleeper. I have had this one a lot, so I picked it on purpose.
Biscuits and gravy with sausage. Okay.
Give it a little stir. Chicken and dumplings, but with beef and gravy.
Smells really good.
No?
It's not bad. I mean, it kind of tastes like those microwavable sausage biscuits.
Yeah, a little bit. I tell you, the biscuits are just kind of different textured. They're not straight out of the oven. There's
It's definitely edible, for sure.
Crouton-y going on with the biscuit.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, they might be croutons. I don't know. But
Not bad.
the taste is there. Gravy is definitely
Gravy and
pretty solid.
it is kind of giving chicken and dumplings.
Yeah.
Not bad. I was really worried about this one, but
Yeah,
not
this one, if you're starving and you really need something to fill you up, chicken and dumplings is the way to go. The beef stew is pretty good.
bad. Beef stew is really good.
Mac and cheese is pretty good. They're both kind of light. I'd say if you need something heavy after a long day, biscuits and gravy. So.
I'm pleasantly surprised with the mac and cheese, but I'm also a big Easy Mac girl, and that's basically it dressed up Easy Mac.
Flavor's good though.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll see. I definitely like all of them. Maybe not the beef stew as much, but
Oh, I
It's
think the
still
beef
pretty
stew
good.
was my favorite.
all right. Well, easy does it, guys. Like I said, these aren't hard to make. You just open the bag, get your jet boil or boiling water, however you got it, put it in the bag and close it for like, I think 5 to 10 minutes. The longer it sits, the better it usually is, and then you're good to go. So I think I've got 9 or 10 packs I'm bringing, plus some other, gummy snacks and ding dongs and other things. So.
Plus, hopefully they'll catch some salmon while they're there. So.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm not a good fisherman, but we'll see. So, should be good to go. Only just a couple more days. So, next time you see me, I'll be in Alaska or I'll be back. So, we got some good stuff planned. The footage is going to be awesome. I can already tell. So, I'm going to make some cool stuff and hopefully everybody gets to enjoy it. So, see you guys. Hot!
No shit. Sitting in a boiling bath.